In summary, without repeating myself, there's 3 steps to the CFO's playbook, as we call it, to the financial acceleration. One is, as mentioned, accurate, timely, and meaningful financials. It is absolutely paramount that you have accurate, timely, and meaningful financials. What's the use of getting a report that's so late or is inaccurate? You can't make meaningful decisions. So the step 2 is confidence to use the information. So your CEO or whoever else is in the organization, they've got to get a confidence in your ability as the accountant to make commercial decisions. And that's where the CFO comes in. And a good CFO will make sure that the management team have confidence to use the information supplied. And the third point is the CFO is the right-hand man or woman to the CEO. And once the CEO and the CFO work together in harmony and understand each other, they can present things to the board, and the board will have confidence that they know where they're going. If the board doesn't have confidence, you're not doing your job. And the CFO is a critical person in any organization, whether it's small, medium, or large. And we pride ourselves in the Vcfr service that we provide.
John, I do have a question for you. You've worked in advisory boards. What's the difference between a board and an advisory board?
Well, an advisory board is usually made up of certain skill sets, such as CFOs, lawyers, commercial experts, and they can advise the board as to which way they can go forward. They have no legal responsibility as board directors. The board can listen to them, take their advice and work on it or not. It's their discretion, but it's often a very cheap way of getting a group of people together from time to time to give you some good key insights into your business.
Thank you for that. I do have another question, and I must tell you, John is not aware of this question yet. What is the difference between a CFO and a Vcfr?
Well, a CFO is generally a permanent employee, but a Vcfr is a virtual CFO. So you can have, we've got some clients that use our Vcfr service, as you know, for a couple of hours a month. Some would use it a couple of days a month. Some we would do 1 day a week, depending on the size of the organization and whether they can afford it. But whatever service we give is as if a small or medium-sized company feels they've got a CFO.
Thank you, John.
Pleasure.